Uh, this is cultural geography topic discussion number two. I'm sorry for my voice. I'm a little under the weather. My throat is not doing very well. So anyway, bear with me. Every week I will post a topic, question, or debate about some items that we are discussing in class or that come up in your readings. By the deadline indicator, you will contribute to the discussion and post a brief, well-written paragraph, usually a minimum of 5 to 6 sentences, discussing the topic and its connection with concepts being discussed in class. You will post your paragraph in the discussion forum of Blackboard. There will be four, each worth 50 points for a total of 200 points. It may not be made up for any reason. If you post them past the deadline, you may not get full credit. Please check the schedule and look for the dates when these will be due. You will get credit if you post a minimum of one well thought out, well written paragraph discussing the issues involved. The second component of this assignment is to comment on at least one of the responses written by one of your classmates. You may respond to more than one, but you must comment on at least one of the responses to get full credit. The issues presented up for discussion may involve controversial debates related to a topic in cultural geography. If the issue is a debate, please make sure and present both sides of the issue, and you may provide an opinion on the side of the issue that you support. Please be respectful of people with opinions different than yours. Keep etiquette rules in mind as you write your responses. I moved the deadline for you to respond for full credit to Wednesday, January 10th by 11:59 p.m. Please follow the guidelines carefully. Some of you didn't do that so well last time. Many were not presenting two sides of the issue, or many did not respond to others, but a little lenient at the beginning, but make sure you follow the guidelines. Cultural geography topics discussion number two. Some countries designate one or more languages as official. The official language is used by the government to enact legislation and conduct other public businesses. As the primary language of the United States, English is used for all official documents, but it does not have an official status. On the other hand, 28 states have English-only laws, making English the official language of those states. Please debate whether English should be the official language of the United States. For background information, please refer to pages 162 and 163 of the textbook. Take care and have a good time with this topic.